Deploying Docker containers using Amazon ECS with EC2 Spot instances for non-critical apps. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. As organizations continue to embrace containerization, deploying Docker containers efficiently and cost-effectively becomes paramount. Amazon Elastic Container Service (ECS), combined with EC2 Spot instances, offers an ideal solution for running non-critical applications. This podcast will guide you through deploying Docker containers using Amazon ECS with EC2 Spot instances, ensuring you optimize costs while maintaining performance. Why use EC2 Spot instances for non-critical apps? EC2 Spot instances allow you to use unused EC2 capacity at a significant discount compared to on-demand prices. These savings make Spot instances ideal for non-critical applications that can tolerate interruptions, such as development environments, batch processing, and data analysis. Key components: Amazon ECS, Elastic Container Service, a fully managed container orchestration service that makes deploying, managing, and scaling containerized applications easy. EC2 Spot instances, spare EC2 capacity is available at discounted prices, ideal for applications with flexible start and end times. Docker, a platform for developing, shipping, and running container applications. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Set up your Docker environment. Ensure your Docker environment is set up, and your application is containerized. Install Docker? Download and install Docker from the official website. Create a Docker file. Write a Docker file that specifies the instructions to build your application image. Example? From Node:14. workdir/uzar/src/app. Copy package. JSON. Run npm install. Copy. Expose 8080. CMD. Node. app.js. Build your Docker image. Run the following command to build your Docker image. Docker build your app image. Test locally. Test your Docker image locally to ensure everything works as expected. Docker run p8080 to 8080 your app image. Step 2. Push your Docker image to Amazon ECR Amazon Elastic Container Registry. ECR is a fully managed Docker container registry that makes storing, managing, and deploying Docker container images easy. Create an ECR repository. Go to the ECR dashboard in the AWS Management Console and create a new repository. Push your Docker image to ECR. Authenticate Docker to your ECR registry. AWS ECR get login password region your region, Docker login username, AWS password, STIN your account, id.dkr.ecr.yourregion.amazonoz.com. Tag your Docker image. Docker tag your app image, latest your account, id.dkr.ecr.yourregion.amazons.com/your repo name, latest. Push the image. Docker, push your account, id.dkr.ecr.yourregion.amazonoz.com/your repo name latest. Step 3. Set up Amazon ECS with EC2 Spot instances. Create an ECS cluster. Go to the ECS dashboard and create a new cluster. Choose the EC2 Linux plus networking template. In the provisioning model section, select Spot instances. Configure EC2 Spot instances. Configure the instance type, Spot allocation strategy, for example, capacity optimized, and the number of Spot instances. Set up auto-scaling to ensure your cluster can scale based on demand. Create a task definition. Define your container configurations, including the Docker image from ECR, memory and CPU requirements, and environment variables. Create a service. In the ECS dashboard, create a new service using your task definition. Configure the service to use the Spot instances in your cluster. Step 4. Monitor and manage your deployment. Set up CloudWatch monitoring. Use Amazon CloudWatch to monitor your ECS cluster and Spot instances. Create alarms to notify you of issues like instance terminations or insufficient capacity. Use SpotFleet for enhanced reliability. Consider using EC2 SpotFleet to manage your Spot instances, providing additional capacity building strategies. Conclusion: deploying Docker containers using Amazon ECS with EC2 Spot instances provides a cost-effective and scalable solution for running non-critical applications. By following the steps outlined above, you can leverage the power of containers and the cost savings of Spot instances, optimizing your cloud infrastructure. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.